In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted messages on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to restore your deleted messages on Instagram, what you need to do is to open the Instagram application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and then click on your activity. Now scroll down to the end and click on the last option, download your information. Click on request a download. Now select your Instagram account and click on next. Then click on the second option, select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover or deleted messages on Instagram, therefore select this messages option and click on next. Then tap on the submit request option. After you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted chats on Instagram will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted chats on Instagram will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.